Do you regularly use the same old words in your documents, such as nice, lovely, and excellent? The synonym feature can help you change your usual words into something potentially more interesting. Personally, I love this feature. Right-click on top of the word you'd like to change, and then from Synonyms, see what you get. Outstanding, brilliant, exceptional. Let's see what I get for lovely. Beautiful, attractive, gorgeous. Now that's a lovely word. And finally, let's see what I get for nice. I think I'll choose pleasant. Now how brilliant is that feature? Have fun! And that's why you need Quasar, improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.